How to allow camera and microphone access, laptop or PC. So if Instagram is not able to use your camera or microphone during calls or recordings, this tutorial will help you fix that. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up Google Chrome on your computer. Once you're inside Chrome, go to the top right-hand side and click on the three vertical dots. From the menu that appears, scroll down and click on Settings. Now, on the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Inside this section, click on Site Settings. Now scroll down until you see the Permissions section. From here, click on Camera. Make sure the option called Sites Can Ask to Use Your Camera is enabled. You also want to make sure that the correct webcam is selected at the top. Just make sure that the website that you want to use is not in the Not Allowed section. Once you've done that, come back and click on Microphone. Again, make sure Sites Can Ask to Use Your Microphone is enabled and make sure the correct microphone is selected. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.